Hi there, how's it going? This is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sign out from LinkedIn account properly in few steps. Welcome back. First things first. So first we head on to the LinkedIn app. Great. Open it. That's your account you are signed in with. Next you hit your profile picture. From your profile pictures you just hit setting at the bottom in here. Great. From there you scroll also up until you find sign out at the bottom. Just hit sign out, confirm, and voila, you are signed out. You still have the option to forget this account and start again. Great, and now you are free to use a new email and a new account to be logged in into your LinkedIn account. So this brings us to the end. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Dean. Stay curious and stay techy. Peace.